Are you thinking about moving north of Atlanta? Well, you have come to the right place. I'm Shonna Sherrill with eXp Realty, and my team and I help buyers just like you every single day, and we absolutely love it. Today we are at the Grand Reserve, and this is a community by Toll Brothers in Roswell, Georgia. We're very close to Alpharetta, Roswell obviously, Milton, Crabapple, and the shops at Avalon. So it's a great central location, and the homes here are just absolutely gorgeous. What I love about this community is that these homes are built on 1 to 3 acre lots, so you have so much room. It's a swim tennis community, and this particular model that we're going to see is the Parkstone. It has 5 bedrooms, 5.5 baths. It's on a full basement, and it is just under 4,700 square feet. Now the model home is on the market right now, and it's listed for just under $1.9 million. So before we run in to take a look, make sure if this is your first time to the channel that you like and subscribe, so you're the first to know in the future when more tours come available for you to check out. Let's go see it. So as you enter the home, there's this gorgeous dining room to your left, and then to your right is a flex room. Can be a study, library, office, whatever you need it to be. And then we're going to come right into the main living area. Check that out. Just look straight through the sliding glass doors to the backyard. You'll feel like you're on vacation all the time. Now let's take a look over here to the left at this amazing kitchen. You've got this huge island, plenty of room for bar stools or chairs, whatever's your favorite. On this side, you have more counter space, your microwave, cabinets that go all the way to the ceiling. Here's your double ovens. And before we finish checking out this kitchen, all of these homes have 3-car garages. So you'll come off of one of the garages here into a mudroom, mud bench area, and storage space. Now continuing through the kitchen, you have this amazing gas cooktop, 6-burner, pot filler, beautiful quartz countertops. You can entertain the masses here. And check this out. Second kitchen for you chefs and entertainers. Another oven, another sink, another dishwasher, another microwave, another refrigerator, and a huge pantry. Now with all these people, you've got to have more room for them to sit, right? So here is the breakfast area with room for another table, of course. And check this out. Look at this amazing entertainment space. This deck is just awesome. Lots of room in the backyard. As I said, there's very large lots here in this community. They have their own fire pit. Let's go back in and finish the main level. So this is the guest room on the main level. It has a nice walk-in closet and a full bath with shower. As we get to the top of the second level, there is a little girl's room on this side, a little boy's room on the other. Let's check this one out first. All pink, little forest animals. There is a walk-in closet and an ensuite bath here. And now we'll run across to the other side and check out the little boy's room. So cute. Check out that ceiling. I love how they decorate these models, but we also have an ensuite bath here and a walk-in closet. Look at this space. This is amazing. So much room for the kids or the family or the company. However you need to use this room, it's just so much space and light and fun. We have another bedroom. Third bedroom with ensuite bath, walk-in closet. Kind of seems like a theme. And as we continue on, we're going to see my favorite room, the laundry. I'm just kidding. I don't love laundry, but I do love this room. But this primary suite, I don't know if I would ever come out. Check this out. The ceiling, all the light coming through. The primary bathroom actually took my breath away when I saw it the first time. It is just massive, so much counter space, huge shower with not one or two, but 3 shower heads, 2 benches, a very large soaking tub for us tall people, and it's just lovely. So there is a water closet, an actual walk-in linen closet, and the primary closet, which has a closet system and wraps all the way around to the other side. Well, that wraps up our tour of the Parkstone model here at the Grand Reserve in Roswell, Georgia. What did you think? I know you loved it. Who wouldn't? Don't forget, we are here to help you. All of my contact information is below, so shoot me a text or send me an email, give me a call, or schedule a Zoom chat with me. We're helping buyers like you, whether you're ready to move in 9 or 90 days. We're here to help. And don't forget, like and subscribe to our channel if you haven't already. We'll see you soon.